Welcome back to a new school year. In this video, we will be going over the Safe and Civil classroom management approach. After a long summer, coming back to school can be difficult. Coming back to school after 17 months can be daunting. Staying mindful in these times can help us accept where we are and help us to move towards where we want to be. Using the Safe and Civil CHAMPS approach can help us be proactive instead of reactive. The purpose of CHAMPS is to clarify expectations to students to help them achieve greater success and support positive behavior through instruction and routine. The Safe and Civil CHAMPS approach is a positive and proactive set of ways to prepare your classroom, clarify expectations, and to connect positively. CHAMPS provides educators with positive techniques and strategies that can improve student behaviors, attitudes, and motivation. Developing a positive classroom management plan can help in preventing misbehavior and can continually be refined to help students become increasingly respectful, responsible, and more engaged. CHAMPS can be used as a Tier 1 school-wide support and a Tier 2 classroom support. Therefore, all areas can and should have clear expectations posted for success. The overall Safe and Civil approach to classroom management, in which CHAMPS is built into, is STOIC. The STOIC acronym is a guide to help educators successfully structure their classroom. The S is for structure. This gives educators tools and strategies needed to create a highly structured, positive environment. These tools and strategies might include creating a positive classroom management plan, creating a classroom management attention signal, posting the daily schedule, posting a set of rules and expectations for all to see, and creating a quiet area for a student to go to if they need a break. T is for teach. Here, the CHAMPS acronym is integrated into the teaching practice to continually clarify what is expected. This includes the teaching and reteaching of daily procedures and expectations. The CHAMPS acronym communicates to students clear and explicit instruction and expectation for any activity. C is for the conversation level, which clarifies how loud or soft voices should be during an activity or transition. H is for help. This gives students guidance on what to do when they need help. A is for activity. This clarifies when the student should be doing or state the objective. M is for movement. This informs students of where they should be and if they are allowed to move about. P is for participation. This informs students of expected behavior to demonstrate they are engaged. And S is for success. This is when students are following the CHAMPS guidelines. CHAMPS expectations can and should be used in all areas, including the classroom, hallways, cafeteria, during arrival, dismissal, and all transitions. Referring back to the STOIC acronym, O for observe is a strategy educators can use to scan and circulate in the classroom. This will allow educators to collect meaningful data on student progress. I, for interact positively, gives guidance to how interactions can build positive relationships. When engaging with students, educators should use the 3-to-1 strategy, meaning for any one negative interaction, there should be 3 positive. This interaction can be a greeting, providing positive feedback, and through the use of a classroom management system, such as a clip chart. C is for correct fluently. This is taking the opportunity to teach appropriate behaviors consistently. These interactions should be delivered immediately while treating the student with dignity and respect. Corrections should maintain the relationship and be done in private, keeping corrections brief while remaining calm. Having a positive, highly structured classroom gives students clear and comprehensible expectations. Teaching, reteaching, and checking for understanding prevents confusion and ambiguity, leading to success for everyone. The first step in implementing CHAMPS is to develop a positive classroom management plan. Step 2 is to prepare your visual aids to assist in clarifying expectations for activities and transitions. Step 3 is to develop classroom rules to coincide with your classroom management plan. When developing classroom rules, avoid vague or broad language that can be interpreted differently by others. Also, avoid writing specific expectations or procedures as expected rules. Guidelines for effective rules include having a limit of 3 to 5 rules only. Rules should be stated positively. This means describing the behavior you want to see rather than providing a list of don'ts. These rules should also be applicable through the entire day and should be posted where all can see. In closing, the purpose of the Safe and Civil CHAMPS approach is to promote higher rates of academic success. It encourages consistent positive interactions between staff and students and provides clear expectations that guide accountability. For more information and guidance, please reach out to myself or any member of the Safe and Civil team. And when in doubt, champ it out.